Hi, myself Salar Ahmed. Here I will present assignment 2 on use of OLX2, which is use, refine and finish the small molecule crystal structure. In the first question, we identify the point group of the crystal, which is given by the sir in the class, and analyzing the morphology explained with the help of figure. In this figure, we see that the parameters of the crystal, three axes of different length and two axes of 90 angle. This is compare with the picture which is found on Google. On comparing the founded crystal with this crystal, we see that both have a similar in their morphology, so we can say that the provided crystal is monoclinic crystal lattice. Also from the image we can infer that one angle is non-90 and the lattice parameter a, b, c are not equal, so the crystal system can be monoclinic and the possible point group of the given crystal are 2, 2 by m or m. In the question number 2, I have solved and defined the crystal structure using OLX2 software. For the three database provide HKL and INS file, folder name data 1, 2 and 3 given under the folder single crystal XRD data in the class material. For solving the crystal structure, we use OLX2 as the data 1, data 2 and data 3 consist of INS file or information file and the HKL file. So we use following step solve the structure. In the step 1, open the software and load the instruction file by choosing the file option. In the second step, we go the work option, which is she here, and then click on arrow made on the solve option. And in program section we will select the selects file. After this, in the step 3, we will click on the solve and solving will take place. After completion, brown balls will appear in this region. In the step 4, brown balls are the scattering done by every single atom present. So now we will assign the atom by selecting the brown ball and assigning atom from the toolbox. In the next step is the step 5. We will assign the atom bond. We assign the atom bonds between them. We will visible and assigning the atom. We will refine the structure using the shell Excel. If the atom assigning is not right, then the bond will break and R value will more, as well as in the step 6 there is a least square cycle which minimize the F observe minus F calc, then assign the refining the structure. And in the steps 7 still the R value is high, so then we will click the OR tab ellipsoid and we will see the sudden change in the R value. Step 8, we will define the structure until the required parameter turns green, which is visual indication of good quality. These are the different bond length of this HCT T structure, and this is the bond angle. And this is the bond parameter for particular atom. After that, in the step 8, we will refine the structure until the R required parameter turns green, which is visual indication of good quality. The different parameter which will look after refinement, R factor value should be less than 10%. This is the second data structure of RMAL. Maximum peak represent the uncounted peak, and minimum peak represent the overcounted peak. And goof is there is represent the goodness of the fitting. And hoof is there is represent the flat parameters. To generate the report, ACTA option was selected, and then final refinement was done. After, we will select the report button and generate the report. This is the RML file table where we see that A, B, C and alpha, beta, gamma of the particular crystal. And this is the atomic coordinate and displacement parameter. And this is the torsional angle which is seen in a particular structure. And this is the bond angle for RML, and this is the bond length for the RML. These are the things we are generated from the ORTAPS and copy paste in words. And then after that, we use the another software which is called Vesta. In the Vesta software, we use Vesta to generate the 3D crystal packing diagram, which is seen after this, like this. This is the structure data 1 in data 2nd and data 3rd. This is the 3D structure. And then we take the PXRD or powder XRD pattern for each structure we solve. This is data 1, and this is data 2nd, and this is the data 3rd structure. And last is the make report of the above mentioned task 1 for present report as a short. This is upload on YouTube. Thank you.